If you haven't seen the last handful of videos, here's some of the stuff you missed.
Mike, what time is it?
There it is, completed. Now I just gotta figure out where I'm gonna put this. Let's see here. Wait, I've been around on this thing for 5 minutes and I'm still right here. Where? No, not quite.
Tú no lo guardaste.
Welcome back to the Average Mike Show. This episode, I'm building this lawnmower. Man, I ain't never had a new one before. So I don't know what to expect when I get this box open. You know, back when I was a kid, I used to find them in the garbage, and sometimes I'd go in take the motors off of these things and put them on a shopping cart. Have my own little redneck version go-kart. I think I'll have to read some pictures, but I'm not sure yet. Let's see if I can do it without reading some pictures.
Oh, qué bien está esto.
Oh, watch yourself. Oh,
Qué bien
what?
hay eso.
Yeah, time. Spin this.
Oh my gosh.
There's another one over there, right? Oh no. Get it.
Yeah. What is that?
I guess I just gotta turn this
A ver,
so it tightens up.
a ver.
Okay, go ahead. Oh no. We're not very good at this, are we? Alright, I guess this goes on here like this.
Hey.
Gotta put the nut back into here. Twist that on. What you doing? You showing YouTube your tongue.
No, this so ball.
Hey, get out the camera. Hey. Hey, get out of there.
Yo.
What? It's not catching yet. Yeah, it's all together. It's just not grabbing the thread on the other side here. Try this again.
What is that? No. What is that?
I think I got it this time. Yes!
What?
Okay, I just had to fight with it. Okay. Now we're going to take this thing outside to cut the yard. Yeah, I guess I could take you along for that too. Now, a word from our sponsors. After 120 years of argument and debate, finally there can be peace in America. Whether you prefer underhand, overhand, or you just sit it on the top of the toilet like that. One thing America can finally agree on. We're just glad if it's there. I'm Average Mike, and I approve this message. Now back to the show. Already in progress. Now, before I go and run this, I gotta get some oil in it.
What is that? The gasoline?
The oil.
The oil. Oil
Yeah.
can.
There we go. It's gonna be kind of interesting trying to get this oil in that little hole there. Yeah, I know, big pipes and little holes. I know. There's a bottle of oil already cracked open. Is that enough? You tighten that back into there. And take it out again. See how much oil you put in. See if it's going to be enough or you need more. Yeah. Looks like I might need a little bit more. Yeah, it'd be nice if I had a Pepsi funnel right about now. Because, man, this gas can, the fancier they get, the more they suck. No, ain't nothing coming out of it. Okay. I just have to do it the idiot way. Now let's see how this thing starts for the first time. Where's that primer? Where's my primer? I gotta find that primer now. Oh, here it is. Okay. Now it's been primed. Just supposed to pull this back and I gotta see this.
Come on.
I don't know. Yeah. Got him down. Yeah, this is a big section here that we couldn't get with the corded weed whacker. Didn't have enough extension cord to do it. So we're about to find out if this lawnmower lives up to its name of Hyper Tough. There it is, folks. A Hyper Tough product that actually lives up to its name. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Actually, there's a smiley face with some broken teeth down over here. Click on that. You're subscribed to my channel. Like the video, mash that thumbs up for me. Appreciate that. Yeah, anything you want to see in future videos, you got any suggestions, go ahead and leave that in the comments. I do read them. Oh yeah, hit that share button. I think it's right about here. Till next time, thanks for rolling with Average Mike.